secondary water supply at the waterworks, swimming pool. Online monitoring of drinking water quality such as pipeline direct drinking water, turbidity, residual, chlorine, pH, ORP, is often monitored simultaneously, water temperature and other parameters, for the convenience of customers. Quickly launch multi-parameter water quality online analyzer products. Or convenient for customers, integrating water quality monitoring into smart water treatment equipment. Chongqing Yuangan Technology launches NFC multi-parameter kit. The complete model of the NFC multi-parameter kit is YG NFC. YG NFC multi-parameter kit adopts integrated flow pool. Its standard version integrates a TED range turbidity sensor, DP or DPM digital residual rate sensor, DHC digital pH sensor, or DX digital pHRP. Integrated sensor? The overall dimensions are only 237 mm by 336 mm by 68 mm. Its compact design. This allows it to be easily integrated into various spaces. Limited cabinet interior. Its beautiful design can even be used directly externally. NFC multi-parameter kit integrated rotor flowmeter, back pressure regulator sensor, integrated steady flow pool, with flow adjustment, bubble defoaming, and stable flow rate and other functions. Greatly reduced customer integration multi-parameter. Water quality online monitoring. Technical difficulty and R&D workload. NFC multi-parameter kit with pressure defoaming, particularly suitable for the application of low turbidity scenarios. In terms of data interfaces, NFC multi-parameter kit sensor. Adopt digital design, with standard RS485 interface. Convenience for customers. Quickly launch multi-parameter water quality online monitoring products, NFC multi-parameter kit. It also has a high degree of stability and reliability. The sensors inside it, after rigorous calibration or testing, can operate under different water conditions. Long-term stable operation. Reduce sensor drift or failure. The resulting measurement error. In terms of maintenance, NFC multi-parameter kit. Due to the integrated circulation pool design, each sensor, it can be easily disassembled and replaced. Significantly reduced maintenance costs and time. Even those with no professional background. It can also be done after simple training. Perform daily operation and maintenance. The NFC multi-parameter suite also supports extended conductivity. Other parameters such as TDs and dissolved oxygen. Chongqing Yuangan Technology. We are committed to providing you with accurate information, reliable water quality, online monitoring sensors, and instrumentation products.